Welcome to Loonie to Toonie's Introduction to Investments, brought to you by me, Gina Deal. Why are so many Canadians now looking to invest? We want to have extra money to afford our goals. Many of these cost a lot more than they used to, and saving alone just won't get you far enough. To best pursue your various goals, you should invest. And when you invest, the idea is that you part with your money now and get it back later along with the investment gains. Investments are financial assets that pay investors in any of these ways through interest, dividends, capital gains, and distributions. Let's look at investments that pay investors interest. Here we have term deposits, guaranteed investment certificates, treasury bills, and bonds. When you invest in any of these, you're lending money to a financial institution, a government body, or a corporation. They pay you interest for the amount of time your money is invested. They pay you back your original investment amount at maturity, which is the end date of the investment. These are normally lower in risk and offer lower yet predictable returns. When you invest in stocks, you're using your money as capital to buy shares of a company. These hold higher risk because the outcome is less predictable, and there is no guarantee that you'll get back all of your capital investment. But there's also no limit to what you can profit with stocks. As a shareholder, you sometimes receive dividends, which are your cut of the company's profits. The more shares you have, the more you're paid in dividends. Companies don't always pay you dividends, but when they do, investors are happy, and this makes more investors want in. When you sell your stock shares at a higher price than what you bought them for, you make a capital gain. Sometimes these capital gains are very profitable. There is no maturity date when you buy stocks. You can own a company's stock for a few days or for many years. An investment fund is a type of investment that holds a number of financial assets inside it. These assets are managed by the fund managers. Some investment funds you likely already know about are mutual funds, which are everywhere, and exchange-traded funds, which trade like stocks in the stock exchanges. Investment funds are low to high in risk. It depends on what kind of investments are in the fund. An investment fund's performance can also depend on how well the assets in the fund are managed. When the investments inside the fund pay interest, dividends, and capital gains, you're paid your share of these earnings called distributions. When you invest, you're buying units or shares of the investment fund. The more units or shares you have, the more you are paid in distributions. We now know investment funds pay you in distributions. Additionally, when you sell your units or shares of an investment fund at a higher price, you also make a capital gain. You can own your units or shares for up to many years. With investing, you should never put all your eggs into one basket, which means you shouldn't put all your money into one investment. You should have a variety of investments that make up your investment portfolio. That's why I think it's really good to know how the different investments make you money. You can decide how much you want to hold of the different investments. This balance will depend on your age, risk tolerance, financial obligations, and time horizon for your goals. Once you know your goals, go to your bank and speak to a financial professional about them. These pros are there to give you financial advice and to help you with your plans to reach your goals. Make it a part of your budget to put some money aside regularly so that you can invest and have money for the more important things you want in life. And educate yourself. Learn more about investing and start turning those loonies into toonies. I'm Gina Deal, author of Loonie to Toonie, Financial Basics for Canadians. I hope you enjoyed my introductory video on investments. There'll be more info videos to come. Visit loonietotoonie.com to find out where you can buy a copy of my book to learn more about investing. This book is a super easy read, and I know you'll learn a lot. Also, sign up through my website to receive the L2T weekly newsletter, where you can keep up to date and learn more about money, personal finance, and investments. Thank you so much for watching. Invest well.